In this video, I'm going to show you how to color inside the lines in Adobe Fresco. Now to do this, first you want to select the brush you want to use for your coloring. So I'm going to go and use this live brush over here. And then of course you can go and click on it again and you can just go and select whatever you want. I'm just going to select this watercolor over here and this round detail over here. Then of course you want to go out and you want to pick your color. I'm going to do green over here. And then you can pick your size and all the other things as well for your brush. Now if you actually want to color inside the lines, I do recommend this feature over here. So as you can see, if you essentially click on this feature over here, it's going to say paint inside on or paint inside off. So if you click on it and it's blue like this, it's going to turn on the paint inside feature, and that's automatically gonna, of course, allow you to paint inside the lines, which is amazing. So if I go and click and drag and try painting, as you can see, if I go outside the lines, it's not allowing me, but as long as I'm inside, I'm easily painting all the insides of this image, okay, which is very, very cool because, of course, it doesn't really take much effort to do this, okay? Now, if you turn this off, then you would have to be very, very precise. So if I just go, for example, over here and change this to like this color over here, and if I try to paint, as you can see, it's very easy to go over the borders and you have to be super precise. But if you turn this on, you can just go and paint, and it's super, super easy to stay inside the lines, okay? So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.